So here we have a question in this which is given us. There is a triangle. This is, we have question number 16 part 1. Question is like this. This is A, this is B. We have we have B like this. This is B and this is D. And from A, this is from A, this is C. This is C. And there is from D, this is A. This is E. And it is given us that AC is equal to ED. AC is equal to ED given us, as well as it is also given us that AB is equal to 5AE and CD is equal to 2AE. So by Pythagoras, and it is also given, which is the biggest mistake made by me in this question, there is given as BC is equal to 5 centimeter, which I was not taken in consideration in my previous attempt. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. This is. So this is of 5 centimeter. So now by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, and we have in triangle DBE, DE square is equal to BE square plus BC square. BD square. Now as given, AC is equal to ED, so AC square is equal to ED square. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So on equating AC square is equal to ED square, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to BE square plus BD square. Now AB is equal to 5A square, 5A square plus BC is equal to BC square plus BE is equal to BC square is equal to BE is equal to as AB is equal to AE plus BE, and it is given as AB is equal to 5AE is equal to AE plus BE. So BE is equal to 5AE minus AE is equal to 4AE. So BE is equal to 4AE. BE is equal to 4AE. Okay, so it is 4AE. BE is equal to 4AE whole square, and here it will be 5AE whole square plus BC plus BD is equal to BC plus CD whole square. Now this is 25. Now it is 25 AE square plus BC square is equal to 16 AE square plus BC square plus CD square plus 2BC into CD. Now this BC square and BC square is cancelled out, and we get 25 AE square is equal to 16 AE square, and here in place of CD square we can write 2AE square. So we can write 2AE whole square, 2AE whole square. So it becomes plus 4AE whole square plus 2 into BC into 2AE. So it becomes 25. So 25 AE square minus 20 AE square is equal to 4 AE into BC. Okay, so this is how we have 5 AE square is equal to 4 AE into BC. So this AE and this AE is gone. So we can write So we here it is 25 AE square minus 20 AE square becomes 5 AE square. 5 AE square is equal to 4 AE into BC. This AE or E cancel. So we will get AE is equal to 4 into BC upon 5. So BC is equal to given us 5 centimeter. It is given. So in that case, AE is equal to 4 into 5 upon 5, cancel out. So AE is equal to 4 centimeter. Right. So AE is equal to 4 centimeter. AE is equal to 4 centimeter. We get. Now AE is equal to 4 centimeter. Then we have to find CD. So CD will be, if AE is equal to 4 centimeter, so CD is equal to 2AE. It becomes 2 into 4 becomes 8 centimeter. So CD is equal to 8 centimeter. Right. Now AB is given as 5AE. So AB is equal to 5AE. So it becomes 5 into 4 becomes 20 centimeter. So AB is equal to 20 centimeter. AB is equal to 20 centimeter, and then they are asking for AC is how much. Now we have to find AC. Right? Now we have to find AC. So AB, CD, AE, we find. Now we have to find AC. Okay. So here we have AC. This is the equation. We put the value now. So we have AC square is equal to AC square is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB is 20 square. It is 20 square plus BC is 5 square. 5 square. This is AC square. So AC square is equal to 400 plus 25 becomes 425. So AC root over both sides, taking root over both sides, taking square root both sides, so we get AC is equal to AC is equal to root over 425. So if we take square root prime factors, 4, 2, 5, 5 times 85, then 5, 5 under 5, 5 7 na, we get 17 and 1. So it is, so we have AC is equal to root over 5 into 5 into 17. So we can write AC is equal to 5 root 17 centimeter square. So this is the whole solution of the question part 1. Whole solution of the part 1. Right, AC is equal to 5 root 17. This is the solution of the question part 1 of question number 16. This is, now we have another question. Should I have this? So definitely it is. We have question number 16 B, means part 2. There is a ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, ABC, this is ABC, a right angle triangle. A, B and C. A, this is C and this is B, and there is a D. From A to D, this is D. D is the midpoint on BC. Given us D is midpoint on BC. So therefore CD is equal to BD is equal to half BC. Okay, this is one we have. So we have to prove that AB square AB square is equal to 4AD square minus 3AC square minus 3AC square, right? AB square is minus 3AC square. This is we have to prove. Now in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square plus BC square, and in triangle ACD, AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square, right? CD square we have. Fine. Now so okay, CD square, okay, CD is equal to, as this is equation 1, this is equation 2, so AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, equation 1, and BC square, so AB square is equal to AC square and AD square is equal to AC square plus CD is equal to half BC square, half BC whole square, as CD is equal to half BC, as D is midpoint on BC given, right? This is, so it becomes now AD square minus AC square is equal to BC square upon 4. So we can write 4AD square minus 4ac square. 4ac square is equal to bc square. Right. Now value of bc putting value of bc in equation 1. So that is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, and BC is equal to this one, and BC is equal to this much. So we can write AB square is equal to AC square plus BC means 4AD square, 4AD square minus 4AC square. Right. So we have AB square is equal to AC square minus 4AC square plus 4AD square. So AB square is equal to 4AD square, 4AD square minus 3AC square. Right, 4AD square minus 4AD square minus 3AC square. So we get this. So hence AB square is equal to 4AD square minus 3AC square. Hence proved. This much we have. This is question number 16. So thank you.